Hi everyone, and I hope you all are staying safe and taking the necessary precautions out there. Last year, in 2020, in the month of March, is when I made the first COVID 19 dashboard, and at that point in time, we were just below the 1 million mark. 1 year ahead, in 2021, as of the 29th of Jan, we are standing at around 102 million global cases worldwide. Now, there was a Power BI challenge posted on the internet, and I recently took part in it, and this is what I came up with. Now, the COVID 19 dashboard shows you the number of cases worldwide, and you can see that it's denoted by the bubbles, and the bigger the bubble, the higher the number of cases. So if we hover over North America, you can see that the confirmed cases are around 26 million, and the recovery rate is just below 25% mark, which is really horrific. On the left hand side, you can see the ranking for the confirmed cases global worldwide, and US ranks at top, with India number 2 and Brazil at number 3. On the right hand side, you have the confirmed death cases, and US is at top again, followed by Brazil. Now you can also choose from the selection over here by country. So if I choose the country of Bahrain, which is just a small little island on the map, and if I hover around it, you can see that I have some statistics showing the number of cases is 102,000, and the confirmed deaths is around 372. The recovery rate is around 96%. So let's zoom out, and let's remove the filter from here. Let's choose another country. Let's choose a bigger bubble, and if I hover on India, you can see that the recovery rate is around 97%. Moving on to the animation page, I'll click on the animation page, and we come to the animation page now, and I have the recovery showing in green. The highest recovered cases is in India, followed by Brazil, and then US. Now I also have a small little animation here. So if I click on the animation on the play button, you can see that this will start from the beginning of last year, and my statistics are dynamically updating in the background. So is the map, and so are the recovery rates, and so is the confirmed deaths. So I hope you like watching this dashboard, and I have a slicer here. You can slice by date, and you can see in any point in time what the number of cases were. So I hope you enjoyed watching the dashboard, and I hope that we all stay safe and we come out of this pandemic soon, and God help us.